If you're having trouble getting your PC to recognize and read videos recorded by your iPhone 14 Pro, you're not alone. This can happen due to various reasons, such as incompatible file formats or software issues. In this video, we'll guide you through some simple solutions that can help you fix this problem. But before we move on, kindly like and share our video to reach more users who need assistance with their device. If you're ready, here are the things you should do. Solution 1. Check the camera settings. Checking the camera settings on your device is crucial for capturing high-quality images and videos. The camera settings can be adjusted to control exposure, focus, resolution, and format. It's important to make sure that the format setting is set to most compatible instead of high efficiency, to ensure that the videos recorded on the device can be read by other devices and programs. This simple adjustment can save you from the frustration of not being able to access or share your recorded videos. In most cases, this is the only thing you need to do to fix a problem like this. However, if the problem still persists, then try the other solutions. Solution 2. Check file format compatibility. The first thing you should do is make sure that the file format of the video you're trying to transfer is compatible with your PC. iPhones typically record videos in the .mov file format, which is compatible with most PCs. However, if your PC is running an older operating system or has outdated software, it may not be able to read the .mov file format. In this case, you can convert the video to a different format using a free online converter tool like Online Convert. Solution 3. Update your iTunes and iOS. Outdated iTunes software can also cause problems when transferring videos from your iPhone 14 Pro to your PC. Make sure that you have the latest version of iTunes installed on your computer. Similarly, outdated iOS software on your iPhone can also cause compatibility issues. To update your iOS software, go to Settings, tap on General, and then tap on Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Solution 3. Restart your iPhone and PC. Restarting your iPhone and PC is essential for resolving various software issues that may be causing problems with your devices. It clears out any temporary glitches and allows the device to function properly. Restarting is a simple and effective way to troubleshoot issues and improve performance. And that's pretty much it. We hope this video can help you one way or another. Thanks for watching.